Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the lecture number 11 of class 10th. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the variable and their types. Today, we are going to discuss about the constant, and this is also the part of the variables. A constant is a quantity whose value cannot be changed. Unlike a variables, the value stored in a constant cannot be changed during the program executions. Types of the constant is numeric constant and string constant. Numeric constant is a constant consists of integers, single precision or double precision numbers. Integers constant represent values that are counted and don't have a fractional part, 56, 87, 85, and the single precision or the double precision numeric constant represent values that are measured and may contain fractional part. Integers constant represent values that are only counted and don't have a fractional part, but single precision and the double precision numeric constant represent values that are measured and may contain fractional part also. For example, 4.7, 5.7, 0.5, 0.48, etc. And the single precision numeric constant are stored with 7 digits but print accurately 6 digits. And the double precision numeric constant are stored with 17 digits of the precision but printed with as many as 16 digits accurately. A string constant is a sequence of alphanumeric characters enclosed in quotation mark. The maximum length of a string constant is 255 characters. You can store the string up to 255 characters. For example, Lahore, house number 45, and I love Pakistan, Ali 444, your email address, all these examples related to your string constant. The next one is basic command. This is the new topic of chapter number 2. First of all, here is the auto command. This command automatically generates line numbers while you are going to create the program in GW Basic in an increasing order. Each time you must have to press the enter key simply. The syntax of the auto command is that line number comma line number. Line number comma mean line number. Here is the line number first, starting line number, and the second line number in the context means that your increment in the first line number, then you can generate second line. The second syntax is that auto dot mean the current line number, and comma then increment. For example, auto 100, your current line number is 100, and you can add 20 to generate the next line. So the next line will be 120. The next one is edit command, and this command is used to modify or change any line in the program that you have already create or save in your basic command. The syntax is that edit line number, edit dot. First syntax mean edit line number. Simply enter the line number 40, 60, 70, what you want to change. The second syntax represent edit dot. When you doesn't write any line number or indicate any line number, specify any line number, you simply add syntax in the edit simply dot. It means that you added the current line of your program. Example, edit 140. It means that here is your first syntax applicable, and the second example, edit dot, here your second syntax applicable. Edit dot mean your current line of the program.